Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will see how to obtain the count of total number of forms in our HTML document. So in this video tutorial, we will create first forms, and after that on buttons click event, we will retrieve what is the total number of forms available in document. So let's create first forms. Form ID is equal to F1 and closing that form. I am not putting any content in this form. We are just creating form for displaying count purpose. So I am declaring various form and giving its ID. So we have created 4 forms. Now let's take one button. So I am taking input type is equal to button, value of button 2, get count, and on click event I want to call one function which is get count. In get count function we will retrieve count of total number of forms. So close input tag. Now in JavaScript we have defined one function called get count using function keyword. Now let's retrieve the total number of count and display alert box. So I have write alert total number of forms are. We have created many forms, so we are accessing form collection. Now to access that collection we are using document dot forms dot length. As we have discussed previously, length property is used to get total number of count of any collection or any list. So we are using length property of forms collection. Now close alert box. Save this document using .html extension and let's run the document. We can see one button is displayed. Now let's click on the button which is get count. We can see total number of forms are 4, which is displayed by alert box, and it displays the count of form which are available in our document. So this is about how to retrieve count of forms which are available in our document. Thank you.